Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, you're highly welcome. Do so good to subscribe and below this video for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be the very first to get my videos as soon as I upload. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make garden egg leaf in tomato sauce. You're going to love this recipe. So to be making this recipe, here are the ingredients we'll be using. Here I have garden egg leaves, then tomatoes, pepper, onion and seasoning cube, and we'll be enjoying this with unripe plantains. Here I have smoked fish, pomo, palm oil, salt to taste, crayfish. So here are basically the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this super delicious sauce. So I've heated the oil and added sliced onions. I've also added the blended tomatoes and pepper. So I'm giving it a stir, and we leave for some minutes for the water in the tomatoes to dry up. So as you guys can see here, the water is almost dried up. So I'm giving it a stir. So I'm adding the ground crayfish, then the pomo. Make sure you wash your pomo thoroughly, scrape the inside and out, then wash thoroughly and cut according to sizes of choice. So I've added the deboned fish, and for the pomo I got a soft one. All right, so if you get a tough or hard one, make sure you boil first with ordinary water. Don't add salt before using. I'm adding seasoning cube, then salt to taste, then give it a stir. So I'm adding water, and we're leaving you know it for the fish and pomo to cook. So we'll be leaving this for some minutes to cook. This is it. Giving it a stir. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. You know, the garden egg leaf has a powerful flavor that you will always crave for. So I'm adding the garden egg leaves. I washed thoroughly, alright? So make sure you wash your garden egg leaf with salt water, alright? Then I cut the garden egg leaves with my hands like you do your oha, make it bold. So you can enjoy this with plantains, ripe or unripe, boiled yam, or anything that works well with you. Guys are going to love this recipe, alright? Make sure you try it out. Don't fail. So this is a super delicious sauce. So we're going to leave it for some minutes to simmer. Hope you guys have seen it. Delicious. Wow, this is it, guys. This is it. Delicious and tasty. Make sure you try it. So, guys, this is it. Make sure you visit my blog. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Love ya.